What is going on, everyone? Oh, that was nasty. Sorry, I'm human. So I just got off work and I'm running this auto tune on my FuelPak. So you kind of gotta go through the paces to make sure it gets a chance to reach all the different rev ranges and all of that, so it can tune the bike to mix the air to fuel ratio right. But the downside is your bike runs like shit when you're doing the auto tune, and it says that when you cut the app on, it pre-warns you. It literally says on the display your bike's gonna run like shit while you're doing the auto tune. I'm just playing, but it says something similar. So I'm taking a little bit of a different route home so I could open her up a little bit. But yeah, that's the biggest thing when it comes to adding on different parts and aftermarket parts and stuff like that on your motorcycle. You got to get it tuned right. And I mean, they had a pre-tune in here that I could have chose to use, but I want it tuned for my riding style as well as just my exact parts, because they didn't have the exact aftermarket parts that I have on here as a selection. Like, I got grenades on my bike, mini grenades, yep, mini grenades, and they had the full grenades, or whatever they call it, the high output grenades. And that's not the same exhaust as mine, but that's what the guy from Vans and Hines told me to use that selection, and it'll be perfectly fine, which I did ride with that selection, and it rode okay. But I wanted to see what it would do if I did the auto tune, and if I don't like the auto tune, I'll go back to that selection. This sucks. Why is there traffic going this way? This is pretty much ass backwards. Oh my goodness. Can't even open it up in this. Well, I guess this is good for the tune, to be honest, because it says it wants you to do how you typically would ride. You're gonna ride the bike around for like a few weeks if you're riding every day, or a week in your normal riding conditions, so that it can learn your riding style and adjust the fuel to air ratio accordingly. But you also you're supposed to get on the highway and do some highway riding too, but I did that once already, but I'm not doing it today. I guess this technically is a highway to an extent. Oh, something stank. That's that Charlotte. The Charlotte that just stank. Man, these pipes scream. So the goal of the auto tune is it has like a little grid. What are you doing? That shows up on your phone, and it has like a bunch of little squares, and it'll be yellow if it learned one of your cylinders, and it'll be green if it learned both cylinders. And the goal is to get the entire grid or the entire map in all green. That's when you know that you're good to go. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this baby will be tuned soon. If there's anybody else that got a FuelPak, the FP3 full FuelPak, or whatever is, you know, the Vans and Hines FuelPak, if anyone else has it and they know a easier way to get it tuned to the exact parts that you got on your bike, let me know. I'm always down for suggestions. Trying to reduce that decel pop, which it sounds like it's doing a good job. I ain't popping as much as I usually do. But yeah, this was just a little short ride, and I'm gonna ride a little bit longer, but I'm gonna end this video. See y'all in the next one. Deuces.